It's so hot in here that my hair is actively getting bigger throughout the course of this video. Hi, I'm Kat, and this video is my March favorites where I tell you about all of my favorite things that I have been enjoying from the month of March. First things first, it's already really hot. Really hot. I have no idea why, but I've been waking up to my bedroom being 80 degrees already, so I've been drinking mainly just water, and today I'm having water with some mint leaves and a wedge of lime, and that has been my go-to this week because I'm melting. So the first thing I want to show you, and I'm gonna style this in another video that I have coming up, but I don't have all of my clothes for my spring lookbook yet, and that is this watch. It is from LMTS. I don't know if they pronounce that limits. I don't know why you would call something limits, so I'm just gonna call it MLTS, and they are a watch company, and this watch came in this gorgeous box. It's got a little button on the front to open it, and I'm gonna show you the fabulous watch that they sent me. I love this watch. It is so gorgeous, and actually my husband and I have been sharing it. I've been really wanting a men's watch for a while with a nice big face but really clean lines, and so this is what I got, and since I don't wear it every day, my husband and I will switch off with it, which is pretty funny. And this is the Now or Never in rose gold with a black leather strap. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. This watch is water resistant, it is steel, and I'm in love with it. This is what it looks like, and let me tell you, I am really hard on all of my watches and jewelry, and this one is still going strong. As you can see, I have yet to scratch this one. It has mineral reinforced glass. The strap is black Italian leather, which I also haven't scratched. It's in great shape. And this is a Japan-made semi-mechanical quartz watch. So it just might outlive me, which is not an accomplishment. I mean, like in the grand scheme of things, let's face it. They have a blurb on their website about this watch. It says, "This watch has been solely designed for the dapper and courageous out there. The Now or Never edition manifests the James Bond killer looks and incredibly dashing appearance." Sounds like me. It's really simple, but it has everything that you need. I like that it has the Roman numerals, and then it doesn't have the full set of numbers around the watch face, which I like because it makes it a little bit more simple and streamlined and classic. And I love that this is in rose gold because while I love rose gold, it is super trendy. So I wouldn't do like a permanent jewelry piece in this, but I love having a watch in rose gold, specifically because it is trendy. So that is my first favorite for March, and I absolutely love this watch. I am going to be styling it in my upcoming spring lookbook, but I don't have all the clothes for that yet, so I figured I'd show you in the meantime rather than keep you waiting. And if you want to get 20% off, I have a coupon in the description below, and that is good for 20% off of your purchase on their website, so make sure you check them out. I have the link in the description below. My next favorite is this Petal Purifying Bubble Mask from Mamonde, and this stuff smells amazing. It's like putting rose petals all over your face. It smells so good. It's fresh and floral, and it's just the perfect springtime treat for your skin. So you put this on and it foams up, and it feels really different when you use it. It's bubbling, and I definitely feel like it's getting into my pores and cleaning stuff out. And then when you rinse it off, it feels the same way a clay mask would feel in your skin. So it's really firming, and it's also moisturizing at the same time. So it's not gonna leave you dried out like a clay mask, but it's a very similar texture on the skin, and it left my skin feeling absolutely amazing this morning. I did it right before I put on my makeup, and I just really like taking the extra couple of minutes to do this. What's nice about this one is that it only takes a couple of minutes to work, and then you can rinse it off and get on with your life. Next, I want to show you this Gerard Cosmetics CYS lip gloss, and this stuff is fun. It has a mirror on this side, and this lights up. So if you're trying to put this on at night, or you don't really have good lighting, you're not gonna be getting it all over your face. which is really nice. The color of this one is nude, and I actually really like the lip gloss as well, not just the packaging. The formula is really moisturizing, and it looks a little bit streaky when I first put it on, but then it settles into my lips and makes a really nice finish, and I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. I always tend to gravitate towards nude lip glosses and lipsticks, so this one was absolutely perfect for me, and you just really can't beat that packaging. I mean, it's genius. The next thing I have been loving is this Dollface 5-in-1 Cleansing Cold Cream, and this is absolutely gorgeous for one. I love that it has this super cute packaging. It looks like a glass bottle, but it's plastic, so you're not gonna have to worry about dropping it on your tile floor in your bathroom. And it has a really clean, somewhat citrus smell, and this is super easy to use. You use it just like any other cold cream. I put this all over my face and let it sit for about a minute, and then I massage it in, and then I wipe it off with a damp washcloth, and it takes off all of my makeup. It moisturizes, it tones, it's amazing, and I have been loving this. And it's also just really nice to take a moment and pamper your skin, and I really like using things that are in pretty packaging and make me feel like I care about myself. God, that's dark. It's so hot in here that my hair is actively getting bigger throughout the course of this video. And I know I've shown this to you a couple of times, but since we're getting back into spring, I've really been drawn back to my light floral happy fragrances. And I've been using my Daisy from Marc Jacobs perfume. And this is just, it's like the epitome of a happy fragrance. It's light, it's floral, but it's not like your grandmother's floral. It definitely has some citrus notes in it. It has some fresh cut grass notes in it. I'm not sure what the actual like official scent profile of this is, but for me, it just smells like springtime. It smells like a rose garden. It smells, of course, like daisies, and I have just been loving this. Plus, I mean, it has the most adorable bottle, and I love seeing this on my perfume tray. And last but by no means least, I have been loving this sugar scrub from I Am Organic, and this is their Citrus Energy Sugar Scrub. This stuff is amazing. I've been using it on my arms and my elbows quite a bit. It's super moisturizing, it's decadent, it's just one of the perfect things that you can use in the bathtub to pamper yourself. Plus, I love all of the ingredients in this, so I'm gonna read them off to you because they're amazing. It uses sugar, jojoba oil,
sesame oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, honey, coconut oil, vitamin E butter, cocoa butter, avocado butter, coffee butter, olive butter, hemp butter, beeswax, and essential fragrance oil.
So reading on this, it looks like maybe 98% of the ingredients are also organic, which is really nice. So I've been enjoying this on my nights when I treat myself to a bubble bath. I'll do this at the beginning of the bath, and then I will wash it off with soap. Just make sure that you rinse out your bathtub with soap after, or the next person who gets in might die. Yeah. Learned that the hard way. Even though it says it right on there, tub may be slippery. But seriously, I love this stuff and I've really been enjoying it. So that's it for my March favorites. I know this video was a lot shorter than most of my favorites videos, but honestly, I've been enjoying a lot of the same things that I was enjoying last month in addition to these that I just showed you. So I'm just pretty happy and contented with where I am, and honestly, I have no idea where March went. It flew by. Let me know in the comments below if there are products or gadgets or just random things that you think I would enjoy trying out, and maybe I will show them in my next favorites video. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos, because YouTube is not showing my videos to any of my subscribers, and it's actually only showing my videos to some people who have the bell selected. So make sure you like this video because that will ensure that other people will actually see it here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.